UPS stock analysis and UPS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Just watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at United Parcel Service stock, and I see a gap here on the 2-hour chart. So let's go a little bit of a higher time frame. Interesting. Definitely melting down for sure. Like, I do know that I've also made previous charts on this, so let's check it out. Yeah, I was so open to take things up. It was brutal, but the price just unfortunately never did so. You know, it never gave me a double break and it just kept melting. So from what we have now, the most likely thing that we're going to do next is just keep breaking new lows. So because this is a supply zone, if you're asking, but when are you going to be bullish? It's going to definitely have to break about 136. But as of right now, I'm not just going to short. It just needs to go a little bit up so I have like a decent risk to reward. But other than that, everything is nice. And if you do want to make more money trading in a simple way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. So goodbye.